Usamele ke umbuzo owabuza by Umangwabe saying ukubana, what is exactly the reason for you to have number 5? Because we don't get it. Why do you need number 5? And Musamselek said to his defense that he needs a wife number 5 because he wants to have 20 kids, which means right now we are on 11 kids. We are on 11 kids, so which means there is still 9 more kids that Musamselek wants or need from his wives. So Umakwela might not even be the last wife that Musamselek will have to marry for him to actually get the number of the kids that he wants, which is to have 20 kids. So to him, it does not matter where or how do those 20 kids are coming from, as long he will get his 20 kids. So if it means that he needs to marry wife number 10 for him to get the 9 kids that he wants, and he was saying as well that he wants to have more sons because he does not have a lot of sons. The majority of Musa's kids is girls. So if it means for Musamseleko to marry more than the wives that he has right now, he is going to do so because he's got a mission to accomplish, because he only has this Mpumelelo, as Musamseleko only has 4 sons. Yes, he has 4 sons. So let's see if in this unkept season, if we'll touch base on that as well, about the kids and the wives that he will marry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.